This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming admin-level access in both accounts and active billing. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open Microsoft Advertising and choose Import from Google Ads. You'll sign into your Google account to authorize data transfer. That's why permissions matter. Next, pick the campaigns and date range you want to bring over. Focus on recent 30-90 days for best signal. Make sure to include ad groups and assets. Early selection saves, rework later when mapping settings and budgets. Once the import tool loads your Google campaigns, map budgets and bid strategies to Microsoft equivalents. You must translate smart bidding into manual or enhanced CPC if necessary. Also, verify conversion actions and ensure UET tags or shared tracking are set. Tracking continuity preserves ROI data. Next, examine ad extensions, negative keyword lists, and device bid adjustments. Changes here affect delivery. Take time to edit any incompatible settings. Then preview the import. You finish by running the import and applying the changes. Microsoft will create campaigns and ads based on your mappings. After import, monitor the account status and ad approvals. Some assets may be disapproved for policy reasons, so act quickly. Over the next 24 to 72 hours, watch conversion and click metrics to validate tracking. Adjust bids or budgets as performance data arrives. If things go wrong, check UET/tagging, relink audiences, and correct ad policy violations. This single troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.